Hello, good morning, Sameer.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm good. What's about you, sir?
I'm good. So his name is Sameer and he's my student and he learnt English from here and he studies in 11th class and from government school, and today we will show you how government school student can speak English. So please enjoy this video and watch till the end. So let's start. My first question is that Sameer,
Yes,
tell about yourself.
If I tell about myself, I'm Sameer. I belong to Bihar basically, but now currently I live in Delhi at Sangamya recently. And if I tell about my education qualification, I had completed my 10th and now I'm pursuing in 11th with commerce stream, and I am studying in a government school. And apart from that, if I tell about my family, there are 6 family members in my family including me. And apart from that, if I tell about my hobby just to reading the books. Apart from that, getting something new from our elders. That's all about my intro.
Very good, Sameer. So you gave a very good intro, and I think they listened about you. But we want to listen more, right? Because you learned from here, and it is a feedback, it is an experience of this institute.
Yes,
how many members are there in your family?
In my family, there are 6 family members, including me, 2 younger brothers, 1 young sister, my father and my mother, and me. That's all about my family.
Very good. It sounds good.
Yes.
And what does your father do?
My father he does the job in a private sector.
Okay. And is there any dream of your father?
My father having a many dreams regarding to me. Just like he wants me like as a government teacher. He wants to see me as a government teacher. That kind
and
of.
it is a dream your father, right?
Yes, sir.
So I wish you will complete very soon, right?
Yes, sir.
And today is your off?
Yes, sir. Today is my off because recently my exam is going on, and also apart from that, today is a holiday.
Government holiday
Yes,
today.
sir.
Okay, sounds good. And what do you like in food?
In the food, I like the biryani because it's my favorite. Because whenever I eat that kind of food, I feel very fine, and I get many of the things. I just know about the spices, what kind of the mixtures.
Okay, so you like biryani, right?
Yes, sir.
So veg and non-veg?
Like both I can take.
Both you can take.
Yes,
okay.
Sir.
So last time when did you take biryani?
Like the day before yesterday, I had taken the biryani.
Okay. Day before yesterday,
Yes,
right?
Sir.
You took the biryani, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what do you want to become?
I also want to become a government teacher in perspective for completing my father's dream, because
your dream also is there, right?
Yes, sir.
And your father dream, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's a coincidence, and your dream and your father dream
Yes,
is same, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So apart from any goal,
apart from
else any goal with government teacher, second goal?
If I tell about my second goal, there are many second goals. It's just to be a successful person in the future, by which I can attain many things, I can get many things, I can fulfill the desires of my family, which I unable to fulfill that kind of thing. I just fulfill that kind of things of my family. I just take the respect, and I just give the respect to those to
very
the
good,
elders.
nice, Sameer. So Sameer, sometime the students who are studying in school,
Yes, sir.
and they think this is not good time to learn English, and they think after 12th I will learn English, and because it's not required. So what is the message from your side, those who are listening as a student of the school, they should learn English or not?
I feel those who are studying in a school, I think they should learn the English because it is a good, at that time they are very good, they are having more time to study, by which they can learn more and more. And at this stage of this school, you are having a chance to learn more and more things. But if you don't learn in a school days, so if you will visit the college, so there you don't have the time to learn more and more about the English, because there the time will come where you have to flourish yourself, where you have to show the things which you have learned from the school.
Okay,
That's
so
why
you want to just make them understand.
Yes, sir.
And if we learn after 12th, I think in a college we don't have the time. So I think we should learn before college, right?
Yes, sir.
So my dear, listen, Sameer is telling, because he's also from government school, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when you decide I should learn English, when you decide?
When I was in 8th class, at that time I had decided, because I had listened most of the people, basically from the neighbors, they were speaking with the help of the English. That's why my father decided to taught me that kind of language, by which, because he knows that what kind of advantages you can get in the future with the help of the English. And if you are earning the 12,000 in a company, so but if you having a English language kind of skills, so you can increase that income from 12 to 20 in the market, because there is in a market.
Okay,
you
so
can-
you mean to say if we know how to speak, then
Yes,
we
sir.
can increase our salary, right?
Yes, sir.
So you know, right? Because he told it is a very good knowledge in a market. If you want to earn more money, then we have to learn English. Okay, Sameer. And before coming here, how was your English? Oh, YouTube family wants to know before coming.
Yeah, before coming here, my English wasn't that much good as now, because at that time I wasn't able to speak a single word of the English.
Yeah.
I know how to write, how to make the sentences, but I don't know
Yeah.
how to speak the English. That kind of thing I didn't have at the before the school, but now I have that kind of skill. I can speak in front of anyone English in a well manner, and I
Okay,
can
and
make
how
him
old are you, Sameer?
my age is 17 years old.
So now you can think, my dear, the age of 17, he is speaking. So there is no number. If I become 25-year-old, then I will learn English. It's not matter. The age of the 17, the age of the 15, you can learn English. You can make your career. Okay, Sameer, would you like to take water?
No, sir.
It is a rule of the class. If anybody
Okay, sir.
comes as a guest,
Okay, sir.
you should take one sip of the water, because it's a magic.
Okay, sir.
Very good, fine. It sounds good. I'm happy you took the water. And how it is a taste of it?
Good. Mint
Good.
water.
Very good, nice. And yesterday, what did you eat for dinner?
For dinner, yeah. Yesterday I ate the food. It's rice and pulse.
Okay. Who prepared that?
My mother prepared.
Oh, your mother prepared.
Yes.
Okay. So, did you ever prepare food? Did you ever?
No, I never prepared the food, because I don't know what is the recipe for making the food.
Okay. So, in future, would you like to learn how to prepare food?
Yeah, in the future I would like to learn, because
But as a male, really you think male should learn to prepare food? Because now in our culture, people think if we are preparing food as a male, we are the lady. That is a thinking of the society. So what do you think? Male should learn to prepare food or not?
I feel like male should learn how to prepare the food, because the work of preparing food, it is not only for the female. I feel it is for the all of the one, because for making the equality, we should also have to learn the recipe how to prepare the food, because it is not only the work of the woman. Everyone should learn how to prepare the food, because in the future, as we know, if the male, as you know, the many elder one who just go to abroad for learning
Very good. I
getting
think
a
you
higher
want to just
education.
make understand everyone should learn how to prepare food.
Yes, sir.
Because sometimes we are alone. It's not matter female and male, but we have to prepare food.
Yes,
And
sir.
because we have to survive. Because outside we cannot take the food daily. So for healthy life, everyone should learn to prepare
Yes,
food.
sir.
It's not matter I'm a male or female. Okay, Sameer, it's fine. You are giving good answers. And what time do you get up?
At 7 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, and your school, what time do you go to school?
At 1 o'clock, the
Okay,
last
1
time.
o'clock. I think your shift is afternoon, right?
Yes, evening.
Okay, where is your school?
My school is basically situated in Devli.
Okay.
It is also known as GBSS, Devli Government Boys or Senior Secondary School,
Yeah.
Devli.
Okay, sometimes people think and who are studying in government, they are not intelligent. So, what's your opinion? What do you want to say?
There are many people who are having that kind of ideology that those students who are learning in the government school, they don't have that much intelligence as compared to the private. I feel it is totally incorrect, because those who are studying in a government, they are having more qualities as compared to the private. In a private, those students are learning because they are paying the high interest, a high amount of money. That's why they are studying. But in a government school, those who are learning in a government school, they don't have any kind of compulsion to study, but I'll insist of that. You can check the result of the government school. There are many government schools where the students are getting more marks as compared to the private
Very
school.
good, nice, Sameer. You told a very good thing. Do you have phone?
No, sir, I don't have a phone.
Okay, why you don't have a phone? Because now everyone has a phone. Why you don't have a phone?
Actually, sir, now I'm studying in a school. My father suggest me that if you get if I will give you the phone, so definitely you are getting a one kind of addiction of using the phone, using the social media. That's why my father
Very good,
didn't give me
Sameer.
the
You are
phone.
speaking very good. I think before 12, I think your father is giving good advice, right?
Yes, sir.
Your father is hero for you.
Yes, sir.
Because still he has saved you from the phone, right? Okay, Sameer. So today, do you know what your mom will prepare for
Like-
lunch?
I don't know what my mother will prepare
Can
for
you
the
guess
lunch.
about your mom? What your mom will cook?
Maybe rice and pulse maybe.
Okay, rice and pulse. I think. Do you like rice and
Yeah.
pulse?
Yeah,
Okay. Which movie do you like?
movie basically I like the both Hollywood and the Tollywood because both are now is going on a trending, and in the Hollywood you can get
So,
know
is there
about
any
the
favorite
scientific.
movie which you can tell the name?
Yes, it's Kalki, Salar, that kind of movie I like.
Okay. So, where did you watch that movie?
I
Did you
just-
watch or not? Still.
Like I
Yeah.
watched that movie at my friend house with
Okay.
him.
Okay. Okay. You like. So, what you learned from that movie?
I learned the things about the prescriptions, about the words, what kind of words they were using in the movie, and what kind of dress costumes they having. Apart from they just take example of a old place in the Kalki movie you can see, and in there are many kind of tradition they show with the help of the movies, like about the
Okay.
traditional
Very
Indian
good,
culture.
Samir. And where is your hometown? From where are you?
As I had mentioned in my presentation, in my introduction, basically I belong to Bihar, but now currently I live in Delhi at Sangam, Bihar.
Okay. So, when did you go to Bihar?
I don't go to village to my
Okay.
village.
You never went to village.
I visited, but
So,
only
when
on
did you
this
go
place.
last time?
Last time before 2 years.
Okay, before 2 years.
Yes.
So, do you miss your village?
Yeah, I miss my village. Mostly I miss my relatives.
What do you miss? What do you miss?
I miss my relative and about the
Okay.
monument, about my home, about my grandparents.
Yeah, very good, Samir. So it is time to over the meeting.
Yes, sir.
And but I felt very good after talking to you. And really, if you like this conversation with my student Samir, so please like and share and subscribe. Meet in next video.